And action. Ding, ding, ding. Check this out. Wow. Dreamy summer pavlova. Doesn't it look magical? I'm Clodagh McKenna and I'm going to show you how to make the dreamiest summer berry pavlova today. We're going to whip up some egg whites, pop it into the oven, then we're going to whip up cream, delicious berries on top. It's such a hero of a dessert. The pavlova is, I think, the best way of showing off. And they're so simple. So I'm going to separate out my delicious Tesco finest eggs. Egg whites in here, egg yolks in here. We're using the egg whites for the pavlova. So it is important that you've got really good quality eggs because the quality of the egg whites does make a difference. It makes them fluffier and lighter. We need to whisk these egg whites until they're completely stiff. So on we go. And that is the egg whites whisked. See, they're a really stiff beak. And next, I'm gonna gradually add in the caster sugar bit by bit. Keep doing this until the egg whites become really, really glossy. Whew, that's it. And then I'm gonna fold in the cornstarch. This helps get that marshmallow interior, and then white wine vinegar will help get that crisp exterior. Look how beautiful and glossy and fluffy they are. So we're just gonna pop all this into the center and then I shape it from there. Just want to get your spoon in the middle and just push it out from the side like that. I pop it into a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius fan. Set my timer for 1.5 hours. Then when my timer goes off, I turn off the oven, but I don't take the pavlova out. If you take it out of the oven while it's still warm, it'll all crack. Kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. Coming into the summer now with all of the fresh berries coming out, you know, gorgeous British strawberries, blueberries, which are so good for you. And nothing tastes as good as when it's in season. This is my cooled pavlova. Doesn't it look gorgeous? And on we go with the softly whipped cream. I've got this delicious selection of Tesco finest summer berries. I've got gorgeous succulent raspberries. They might be my favorite. Juicy blueberries. And of course, summer is not summer without a British strawberry. So I'm going to start with those. And I love draping on all the berries as if they've all just fallen down from the heavens. And when they're in season like they are right now, they taste at their best. I'm gonna pile this high. Now, out in my garden, I do have these really pretty forget-me-not flowers. I just love them. And then lastly, the icing sugar. Ooh, magical. My dreamy summer berry pavlova, elevated with the delicious seasonal summer berries from Tesco Finest. I cannot wait to share this with everybody.